YouTube of the world, and welcome to the Daily Doll. Today is just a random day out of the many days of COVID-19 quarantine. However, in a week or so, I was supposed to attend my first ever GRWM military ball. I got a dress and everything. Since I'm gonna miss it, I've decided that I'm gonna have my own little military ball. I guess. I'm gonna get ready for it at least. And I'm gonna do some Daz cam footage. And I'm gonna recreate the glam bot from the Oscars, Tonys, Grammys. Oh, that award show where the glam bot is. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's go. The first thing I did was take a shower, and then I moved my entire bedroom into the bathroom so that I didn't have to go through this process without my good friend, the West Wing. I then noticed it was getting to be a bit hot in the bathroom, so with the help of a little TV magic, I changed into this tank top and I was ready to go. I planned to first do my hair, so I grabbed this Eco Gel, this paddle brush, this bristle brush, this other bristle brush, and this water spray bottle, and I was ready to just go with the flow because I had no plan of what to do with my hair. By this point, I'd come up with a plan. I was going to do 2 braids down the sides of my head, I guess. Whatever this part of my face is called. And then I realized I can't braid. So I was going to do 2 twists down the front, side, roundabout of my head. And just see how it goes. And this is pretty much how it went. Imagine if I hadn't cut that down. That was an hour and 30 minutes worth of footage, and I finally decided that this was enough to get me through makeup. Now I'm going to start with my eyebrows like I usually do, and I must warn you, the way I do my eyebrows is very different from the rest. I decided to go all the way across my face to make sure that everything's lined up, because I literally can never get my eyebrows straight. No matter what I do, it's always crooked, and I look like a cartoon character, and I'm doing my best, but like it's not working out for me. After I get a nice shape, I obviously fill them in, but then when I get to my left eyebrow, it gets a little wacky, because as you can see, there's 2 slits in my eyebrows from a show choir makeup incident that shall not be spoken of. Anyways, it's now time to clean them up with some concealer, which I have here, and I like to say I'm pretty good at this part, but concealing it is easy, because you can just keep going until it's even. But the problem is, if you go on too long, then they just get really, really small, and I don't like that. So I just wing it until I'm okay with it. Now, I see people do this in makeup tutorials where the concealer from their eyebrows goes all the way down to their eyelids, and I'm not sure, like, the proper geometrics to how I'm supposed to blend my eyelids with my eyebrows, but I'm just going with it because it's gonna look good eventually. That's the plan, to look good eventually. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and I don't really want to pick a color that goes in my dress, so I'm going for a pink look on my eyes because my dress is more of a goldish, and I think gold and pink go together. So I chose this really light pink, and it's not really working out. So I chose this hotter pink, and that seemed to work pretty well with the idea of the colors that I was looking for. Now, of course, comes the dreadful time where I attempt a cut crease. And then the tough decision of what should be put in the cut crease. I then chose this, I guess, kind of, I don't know what even this is. Hot pink glitter, rose gold thing, glitter thing. It's pretty. And after a bit of cleaning, it is now time to blend my eyebrows with the rest of my face. For my base, I am a very plain girl. I usually just use the concealer that is my color, but I ran out of that. So now all I have is a foundation that is too dark and a concealer that is too light. So my genius plan was to blend them all together on the top of my foundation cap, and this is how it went. It has come time for setting powder, which I genuinely don't know how to use, but I'm just going off of pictures that I've seen and the way that my cousin usually does it, and it's not really working out, but it worked out. Now that's setting, baking, I don't know the terminology, we're gonna apply some. Now that these are on, we can blend the setting powder with the rest of my makeup. Now for highlight. The dilemma here is, do I go with pink highlight to match my makeup or a natural highlight to accentuate my features? It was obvious to go with pink highlight because I am extra like that. However, I chose a nice Last but not least, I must add a red lipstick to complete the look. Now that our makeup is all done, we can revert back to this hair dilemma. Good news, it actually came out of the hair tie pretty cute, so I just decided to add this hairpin, reposition my bobby pins, and I was good to go. Done with hair and makeup? Cool. Now let's go almost break our necks while attempting to create a glam bot.
I don't know how to make the glam bot thing yet. So we're gonna go look on TikTok. Alright, I'll be back.
So unfortunately, that was just a big mess, and I decided to have my mom be my camera woman instead, and this is how it went.